becoming a mom is, even from personal experience, one of the toughest battles, but also one of the most rewarding battles,
Yes.
right? It is beautiful, but there's so much going on in a new mom's head that it's impossible to just see this is just her hormones wreaking havoc. What happens with motherhood is that our fight or flight system also gets wired to being hypervigilant 24/7.
Yes.
And that, if you didn't have risk factors, is tough enough, right? But with the risk factors, that can push you over into anxiety, depression,
Right.
OCD. There are so many times when moms, like you said, they feel lesser than or less of a mom for feeling this way. Then it's a very self-perpetuating cycle.
Yes.
Where you feel these things, then you isolate yourself because you can't talk to anybody about this. And the guilt is tremendous. And then it's just perpetuating the low mood even more. You're not any lesser of a mom because you suffer from a antenatal or postnatal mental health illness. Number two, you're not alone. There's so much help out there. And it happens in 1 in 5 women. So chances are one of your friends has experienced it, or, a parent or a family member has experienced it. So I think reaching out for help is important, and it's very treatable. That is also something I think a lot of moms don't realize. They think you just write it out and it goes away. But no, I think the earlier you intervene, the earlier you treat, you can actually enjoy the rest of your postpartum instead of it defining your postpartum period.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It does not mean that you're a bad mother.
No, not at all.
And we can help.
Yeah. In fact, the moms struggling with mental illness are some of the bravest, strongest moms I've seen, because to have to care for a little one and to have to also fight depression and anxiety, which is in itself like an Olympic sport, right? Like getting out of bed is a big thing, making sure that you've got your breakfast in is a big thing, and then to have to care for somebody else. Like, they're the strongest moms I've seen.